So, you're thinking about creating a teacher training. Well, you have come to the right place. Creating a teacher training is such an exciting and rewarding opportunity, a little scary too, to share your voice and your passion for yoga with the world. So whether you're creating a 200-hour, a 300-hour, 500-hour, or continuing education piece, I'm gonna help you get there efficiently and effectively. So I'm Rachel Scott, and let me tell you a little bit about myself and how I can help. So for the last 20 years, I've been completely nerding out on education. I've taught at universities like NYU, Columbia, University of San Francisco. I've taught 200-hour programs, 300-hour programs, continuing education programs. I've designed 200-hour programs. I've taught over 20 200-hour teacher training programs. But I gotta be honest with you, when I created my first 200-hour, even though I poured my heart and my soul, worked for months on this thing, it wasn't that good. I had to revise it and go back for years to bring it to snuff. Well, after that, I decided to get my master's in instructional systems and learning technology because I realized that passion and knowledge aren't enough. There is an art to education. And I want to share with you some of the stuff that I wish I'd known. I've been trying to figure out a way that I could effectively package all of my knowledge and experience and give it to you. Now, I know as yoga teachers, we gotta be frugal. I mean, even though teacher training might bring in some extra revenue for us, I know we need to watch what we spend. So I wanted to figure out a way to give you as much information as possible in a way that was cost effective. So I decided to create an online training. In this 12-course series, we cover everything that you need to know, A to Z, about creating a teacher training. And creating this in the right way, in the right order, doing the right work at the right time so that we save you a lot of time and effort. So, what are you gonna learn? Well, not only are you going to learn how to make really excellent education, like how to create a lesson plan, how to schedule your content, how to make a student manual, how to make measurable assessments and trainer notes. But we're also going to look at some of the logistical issues that you need to be smart about as well, like marketing, budgeting, contracts, Yoga Alliance. All of that in 12 weeks. It's going to be amazing. And if you're here, I know that it's not enough for you to just create a teacher training. You want to create a great teacher training. So let's do it.